It is my privilege and honor that St. Thomas Boys High School, Aldona, has become the center for examination for board exam. Around 244 students will be answering the board examination for the first time in their own village. It is with deep pride we would like to thank the chairman of Goa board and all the people involved in considering our application to have the center for examination here. We have neighboring 5 schools, namely St. Thomas Boys School, St. Thomas Girls School, Maidijeo School, Kosue, Our Lady of Elizabeth School, Bomburfa, and St. Francis Xavier's High School, Moira. It's a big honor for all the students to answer their board examination in Aldona itself. We wish each and every student God's blessing and God's protection as they answer the board examination April 2018. Thank you.
What is the arrangement that is done here?
The arrangement is totally completed in all its aspects as regard furnitures, with regard to sitting arrangement, traffic, security. Each and every aspect has been looked into, and we are grateful for all these people who have made it a success story for us today.